In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display language on eBay using Chrome. If you're looking to navigate eBay in a language you're more comfortable with or simply wish to explore the platform in a new language, you've come to the right place. First things first, to get started, you'll need to open your Chrome browser. Once you've launched Chrome, head over to the eBay website. Now, if you haven't signed into your account yet, go ahead and do that. You'll be able to access your personalized settings and other features more seamlessly once you're logged in. With your account all set, the next thing you'll want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the eBay homepage. When you're at the very bottom, you should notice a section that lists different site options. Among these is a handy little drop-down menu for language settings. Click this drop-down menu to see a list of available languages. This is where you can select your preferred language from the options presented. Now, after you've picked your desired language from this menu, eBay will automatically refresh the page for you. This refresh is crucial because it's what applies the new language settings to your browsing experience, transforming the interface instantly to the language you've chosen. This means that navigation through categories, reading product descriptions, understanding buttons and prompts all will be displayed in your selected language. This feature is especially useful if you're multilingual and better understand certain contexts or nuances in a different language. Furthermore, it makes shopping on an international platform like eBay much more accessible and enjoyable. A quick tip for you: if you ever wish to switch back to your original language or choose another, simply repeat the same process. Scroll to the bottom, find that familiar drop-down, and click it to select a new language. It really is that simple, and ensures that your eBay interface is always as personalized and user-friendly as possible for you. This concludes our quick tutorial on how to change the display language on eBay using Chrome. We hope you found this information helpful and that you'll now be able to navigate eBay in the language that best suits you. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and guides. Happy shopping!